the garden things.
Yeah, they sell flowers. Such a nice day in London. I wonder how do I get to the market? Maybe I can get here. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Happy 2025. Right now I'm going to a flower market with some of my girlfriends because tonight we're going to do some floral arrangement and we've never done that before, so I'm so excited. And also I'm having like a long weekend holiday, which I'm so happy because I've been working non-stop lately and it just feels good to finally get to relax and have some fun. Okay, I need to find out how to get in. Okay, so after 20 minutes of rush buying, guess what I got? Oh my god, so pretty! And then I got these ones as well. And I got 2 boxes of flowers. So I'm just waiting for girls to pick me up. Next time, definitely come earlier because see, it's all closed. And I was one of the last few customers in the market. To come here, I think the best time would be around 7. I came here at around like 9:20. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm out and about again because I dropped off the flowers at my friend's house and I'm going to a Pilates class with my another friend Miriam. But yeah, should be good. So nice. Such a nice day in London. Beautiful day. Vlogging this week. So very hard. Is it called Farmer J? Yeah, Farmer J. Sell it after our intense Pilates class. It was really intense. The hardest one. The hardest one ever. Oh my god. I suck it up. I'm gonna get stronger.
We used to have each other's playlists. Each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah. And maybe we could try it next week again. But I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you. Back of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to...
check in. This is the finished product, and I successfully took it home, and we took the underground, which is super impressive. Yeah, but I have to say this is like by far my favorite for arrangement. Very happy with how it looks. I think the details and the colors and everything I just executed beautifully. So happy.
Kaka has been crazy and sassy. Oh, at work. So I've just finished my Pilates class and now I'm heading for lunch. There's a new cover I discovered last week with my friend and didn't have time to try it, but today it's the cooking time. Hopefully we can get some sandwiches and coffee. So let's go.
It's a lot warmer this week. Last week it was like -2 degrees and it was freezing, but now it is about 7 degrees and it's sunny as well, so yeah, I love it when London is so beautiful. Actually, I'm so scared of having my phone snatched by people, so I'm not super confident about like vlogging outside. I feel like I kind of order a lot of things. This is the sticky chai tea, a bit of everything, plate. Finished lunch, on my way to Ralph Lauren right now because I got an online order to pick up. Let's go! It's been super cute. Ralph Lauren. I hope to visit the Ralph Lauren in New York in March. But yeah. Thank you. So before finishing today's video, I actually want to do like a shopping haul with you guys because I mean, I feel like I take you around but I don't really show you what I've got. So here we go. The first thing is the Ralph Lauren. I actually got a cap for myself because I have a navy jumper and I actually want to find something that I can match with my jumper. And yeah, I actually saw someone wearing it another day in green and kind of get inspired on the street. There you go. It's really cute. So it has the Ralph Lauren little bear on the front with all the embroidery and stitching, which I think is super cute. And at the back it just say like Polo Ralph Lauren, and it has like a little leather strap. If I go to work kind of like having a bad hair day, I think this is perfect for me. Here's the second thing. Actually that day when I go shopping, I pop into Garni as well, and did some damage to my bank account. The collaboration shoes, so cute. I've been wanting a nice pair of New Balance for so long, but I just never really actually find myself loving them because I feel like they're a bit identical, like each design. But this time it's different because it has baby pink details. It's a collaboration with Garni, how do you say it? I think it's super cutesy. It has charm on it as well. Little charms, so cute. They actually have the red as well, the red version. They're the same but it's just like different colors. I got this, and then after that my flatmate also got this. I think it's super cute, and we're kind of matching, which I'm so happy. And speaking of Garni, I actually love this up so much. Since last year, I treated myself with a pair of ballet flats, like a dark brown espresso color ballet flats last year. There are a lot of people saying like if they're comfy or not on TikTok, but I can tell you they're super comfy. I don't wear them every day, but sometimes when I have like a cool girl look, if I pop them on, chef's kiss. And I also pick up a jacket kind of like this. This is a size 12. I'm normally a size 6 in the UK, but this is like super oversized, but I actually love it so much. I love it oversized. I love it as like a cool girl vibe, and the silhouette, the color, the stitching. Or if you have followed me long enough, you probably notice that I love things with stitching design, if that makes sense. Like I love the contrast. One of the reasons why I love Loewe or Garni, or yeah, any kind of design I'll pull in, is because the stitching design. Here comes the last item, ta-da, which is my Kulomi, which is a pull-in bag. I got this like earlier this week, and I've been loving it. I chose the color dark brown because I'm always a dark brown girl. Like a lot of people pick camel as the color, which is like a lighter brown color, but I don't know, it just doesn't really spark my attention. But when I try this, I feel like this is more elevated. Again, I love the stitching details. It's like quite luxury. I added like 2 charms which I got in Japan earlier this year. Yeah, Melody and Kulomi, they are, I would say they're like enemy, but they're also best friends.
George Lost.